This is Matt, and this is a quick video on how to change the date range in Looker Studio. So I'm here in my Looker Studio. I have a project open, as you can see here. Some of my websites, I have Google Analytics data pulled in for these. So super simple. If we want to actually, this is a scorecard right here that I've already added via the chart section at the top. But if you want to actually change the date range, you just click on one of these, and inside setup, if you're inside style, this is the formatting options here. You want to be in setup, and then near the bottom we have default date range filter. So auto right here is showing the last 28 days. I can click custom and I can start to change this. So I can go last 28 days. If I click this drop down, I've got the last 7 days. We can also do 14 days, 30 days, last week, last month, last quarter, last year, so on and so forth. We can do yesterday, today, and then there's some more advanced options if you want to kind of fiddle with things. You can also literally just select a few days. So if you wanted to just do a 2-day period or like a 4-day period or something in the middle of a week, whatever you want to do, you can use this picker here and you can just start to select dates and just click on those as you normally would with any kind of date picker. So that is how you do it by default. At least mine is set to auto 28 days. If you want to customize, you click on custom and you use the drop down and you can change your date range there. And that's applicable for any of these scorecards or charts or whatever you have in your data studio, no matter what the data source is. Like I say, I have Google Analytics data here, but anything that has a date range, you will be able to manipulate using the date range filter within setup on a scorecard, a chart, or whatever you have. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.